Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Last class we discussed the very basic concept of trigonometry, and we know that trigonometry stands for triangle measurement or measurement of angles. Okay, and also we know that what is the definition of angle. Angle is generated by initial side and terminal side coincide with the point O, then angle AOP. This is formed. Okay. Next, angle rotates anti-clockwise direction as well as clockwise direction. If it rotates anti-clockwise direction, we say that angle is positive. If it rotates clockwise direction, then we say that it is negative. Okay. Next, after knowing that unit of measurement of angles, one we consider sexacimal measure. Sexacimal measure, and another one is radian measure. Last class we discussed sexacimal measure. For that we are consider a right angle triangle AOB. Okay, and divide into 90 equal parts, and each part we call it as 1 degree. Correct? One right angle. Correct? One right angle is equal to how many number of degrees? 90 degrees. Correct? Next, similarly, if I consider 1 degree and divide into 60 equal parts. 60 equal parts. Each part we call it as 1 minute. Okay, means 1 degree. We divide into how many number of parts? 60 equal parts. Therefore, we can write it is 60 minutes. 1 degree equal to what? 60 minutes. Okay. Next, we consider 1 minute. Consider 1 minute. Okay. And divide into 60 equal parts. And each part we call it as 1 second. Means 1 minute equal to 60. A good example is clock. We have to use one clock. Okay. Next, after knowing this hexagonal measure, next we come across radian measure or a circular measure. For that, we have to consider a circle. Consider circle with center O as the origin. Consider a circle with center O as the origin. Take 2 points on the circumference of the circle. Say it is A and B. Okay. Next, join OA and OB such that OA, OB represent radius of circle and this AB represent arc. Correct. And next, we consider the radius OA is 1 unit. Naturally, OB is also 1 unit. And next we have to consider what we have done. The RAB, this length RAB is also equal to radius. Means this is also how many number of unit? 1. Then only which one is exist? Radian measure is exist or circular measure is exist. Are you understood? Okay. Then we have to define the radian measure or a circular measure. Okay, definition is radian is an angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc of length AB. Here from the figure we know that arc of length AB is equal to the radius of the circle. Then we say that this is which type of measurement? Radian measurement or circular measure. Okay, and this radius OA radius OA is equal to what? Arc. Length of arc AB, and this angle AOB, this angle AOB represent 1 radian. This angle AOB represent 1 radian. Correct? And the notation of radian is C. Notation of radian is C. Correct? In this way we can define what radian represent. Radian is angle subtended at the center of the circle. Angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc, by using this arc. See, this is a base. If I use arc, revolving line, this, correct? This arc we consider. Okay, this arc of length AB equal to what? Radius of the circle. Then only we define radian nature. For example, if you consider OA is 1 unit, naturally radius OB, therefore this is also 1 unit. Naturally AB is also 1 unit. Then angle forms that angle we represent what? 1 radian. This is the definition. How we define radian. Did you understand? What? Radian is an angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc of length AB is equal to radius of the circle. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ? ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ. ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. OA OB. ಈ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮ ಇರಬೇಕ್ರಿ? OA ಗೆ ಸಮ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆರ್ಕ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎ ಬಿ OA ಗೆ ಸಮ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೇಜರ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ? 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆರ್ 1 ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೇಜರ್. ಅದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಆರ್ಕ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ AOB, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ? 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್. ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ C. In this way we define. Okay, this is the radian nature. I think everyone understood. Next, after knowing the definition of a radian nature, next we take radian is a constant angle. We have to prove radian is a constant angle. We have to prove radian is a constant angle. Okay, radian is a constant angle. Okay, for that we consider a circle. As you know, if you want to define radian, compulsory we consider circle, and this is center of the circle. Correct? Next, take 2 points on the circumference of the circle. Say A, B. Next, join OA and OB such that by definition of radian, RAB is equal to radius of circle. Therefore, this represent what it is? 1 radian. Next, take a point C on the circumference of circle. Join OC. Okay, such that angle AOC forms 90 degree. And we know in SLC, arcs are proportional to angle subtended at the center of the circle. We know that in SLC, in geometry, arcs are proportional to angle subtended at the center of the circle. By knowing that standard theorem, we can write arc AB is arc AB divided by arcs are proportional to ratios arc AC. Arc AB by arc AC is equal to arc AB. Arc AB angle is what? Arc AB forms an angle AOB. Correct? AOB. Arc AC forms an angle AOC. AOC forms an angle AOC. Next, arc AB. Correct. Arc AB forms an angle AOB. Arc AC forms an angle AOC. Correct. And we know that this OA represents radius of the circle, and we know that see arc AB. Correct. Arc AB nothing but OA, that is R. Correct. Next, arc AC. Arc AC. Correct. Arc AC is nothing but, see, this is a circle. This is a circle, and this circle we can divide how many number of parts? 4 parts. And here we consider one part of this circle. Actually, we can say that it is 1/4. Correct. 1/4 of the circumference of the circle. Correct. Because we are calculating the arc AC. This circumference we have to calculate. Correct. Therefore, arc AC is 1/4 of the circumference of the circle. Okay, arc AC is 1/4 of the circumference of circle, 1/4, and we know that circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Correct. 2 ones are 2 2s are. Okay, pi r by. Correct. Therefore, we can write here arc AB is r, arc AC. Arc AC is pi r by 2. Correct. Next, angle AOB. AOB 1 radian. AOC, angle AOC forms 90 degree. Correct. And this r will cancel, and we can get this 1 divided by pi by 2 is 1 radian by 90. Okay, 1 by pi by 2, we can write this 2 by pi equal to 1 radian by 90. Correct. Then cross multiply. 2 into 90 equal to 5 into 1 radian. Correct. Means 180 equal to 5 radian. Means we proved pi radian is 180 degrees. Means we proved pi radian is 180 degree. Means we proved radian is a which type of angle? Constant angle. We proved pi radian is a 180 degree. That is, we proved radian is a which type of angle? Constant angle. That is 180 degree nothing but it is a constant angle. In this way we can prove. Okay, radian is a constant angle. Okay, did you understand? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ತೊಗೊತೀರಿ, ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ತೊಗೋತೀರಿ, ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ O ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, A B C ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ತೊಗೋತೀರಿ, OA OB OC ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ರೀ, ಆರ್ಕ್ AB ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ರೀ, OAಗೆ ಸಮ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ಕ್ ABನ OA R ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಇದು ಸಮ ಐತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರೇಡಿಯಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. ಅವಾಗ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ AOB ಯಾವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ AOBನ 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೋತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ AC ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ರೀ. ಆರ್ಕ್ AC ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಸರ್ಕಲ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು 2 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ನಾವು ಬಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ನಮಗೆ? 4 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ 4 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ? 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳಕತ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನರ್ಥಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1/4. ಯಾಕೆ 4 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ 1 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳಕತ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1/4. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ಪರಿಧಿ, ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರಿಧಿ. Therefore, we can write 1/4 of the circumference of the circle. ಪರಿಧಿಯ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ. ಪರಿಧಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪರಿಧಿ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 2 pi r. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅದು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, pi r by 2. ಮತ್ತು SLC ಒಳಗೆ ಕಲ್ತೀವಿ ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ. ಆರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ವೃತ್ತದ ಆರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಆರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ರೀ? ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಗೆ. ಆರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ? ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಗೆ. Therefore, arcs are proportional to angle subtended at the center of the circle. And the arc AB, the arc AB by arc AC. Arc AB ಇಂದ ಯಾವ angle form ಆಗೈತಿ? AOB. Arc AC ಇಂದ ಯಾವ angle form ಆಗೈತಿ? AOC. ಇದನ್ನ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ SLC ಒಳಗೆ ಕಲ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಂಗೆ ಹೌದಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿ ಪೈ ಹಾಕೇವ್ರಿ. ಎ ಒ ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್, ಎ ಒ ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 90 ಹೌದಾ. ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿ 1/5/2 is 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ per 90. ಅವಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1/5/2 ಅಂದರೆ 2/5 1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಹೌದಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 2 × 90 0.1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್. 0.1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಪೈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್. ಪೈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ is which type of angle? Constant angle. Okay. In this way we can prove the given theorem. Did you understood? Okay.